Fried rice noodles. We need the rice noodles, onion, celery, carrot, cabbage, green onion, and bean sprouts. And we will make and we use the tofu. Usually you also can use the meat. Yeah, meat, bacon, and some protein. To cook, we choose to use the tofu because we have tofu in the fridge. add the tap water to the big wok. Add more water, like you boil the noodles. So right now we will start the stove and to boil the water. Then we boil the rice noodles. That's all. Boiling the rice noodles. Remember, we didn't want over boiling. We just boiling and we check. If you penetrate the rice noodle can break, that means it's done. So don't overcook it. If you overcook it, the texture or after that it will taste terrible. Now we can get the rice noodles to see if, to penetrate. To penetrate if it's broke, that means it's ready. So right now stop. Turn off the heat of the stove and move your rice noodles into a pot. You put it in pot and cover it and keep it warm. When do the next steps, dump this. We start stir and put it to the medium flare. Then add oil to a pot. At the beginning, when you want to fry the tofu, so we add more tofu, add more oils. So we can use it to fry the tofu. Because if tofu you didn't fry at the beginning, when you fry rice noodles, it's easy to break to pieces. That's not what we want to see. We add more oil to it. This much, you can see this much, not too much, and we want to fry tofu. We don't want the tofu. We deep fry actually. We don't want to stick to the pot. As we talked before, the pot is a cold pot, hot pot, cold oil. Then be careful and begin to rinse it. Then leave it there. When it's very hot, don't rinse it. I don't want you burn by the oil. So we just wait. We can put a piece of cabbage or any veggies into it. If the cabbage starts frying, that means it start frying. So we can put tofu to fry it. Yeah, this is the way I know if the oil is right now it's go to a temperature. Never put a finger into the oil to see it's hot or not. Never do that. And just put the cabbage into it. And you see, if it start frying, that means the oil is ready. So we put tofu in the fry first. Don't worry, we won't use this much oil to fry the veg in the rice noodles. It will be so too much heavy oily. Okay, the oil is ready. So we fry the tofu first. We turn the fire. this. Be the good one, golden, very golden, crispy outside. So it's meat stuff. We'll put it, pick it out. Noise. Carrot, onion, green, yellow onion, and there's a celery and a cabbage. We added to the pot. And then we use a big pan. Use a high heat. Right? It's a tablespoon. We added the 1 tablespoon salt. Seasoning, we use 13 spices. It's a Chinese spices. Or you have, if you have 12 spices, you can add the 12 spices. Yeah. Or if you want to add some American, Italy, Sicilian, those are okay. This just will kind of give a good flavor. Honestly, give it a good smell. And then we fry it. This is the soy sauce. That's some soy sauce. And oyster oil. From 1 tablespoon oyster oil. This is the chicken flavor soup-based mixture, granted. So we add a little. How much of a pinch? Just a little pinch. Don't add too much. And mix it. And the bread will become tender, soft. And truly it feels become soft. Then you add a tofu to it. For the veggie, they are ready. It's a softer, ready vegetable already softer and it's cooked. Yeah, so I added the rice noodles to it. It's the rice noodles. Just mix it. We already give a very strong, add a lot of salt at the beginning, so we don't need seasoning anymore. We just mix them. So that's all. The rice noodles soak those flavor. Low medium. The same. You don't want to burn the rice noodles. Sesame oil. Okay. Okay, done.